And here's a table psych with a man apart. Just kind of interesting. And was put on July 31st, 2003. Coming soon for New Line Home Entertainment. The following previous has restricted audiences only by the Motion Picture Association of America.
Reality entertainment was getting to be a real bore.
I got me one!
Until one man found his true calling.
Hello, what are you doing in here? I live here first, and people build a house around me.
Okay. He should have his own show.
I'm gonna take you to Hollywood and build a TV show around you and your talent for getting arrested. I hope you don't mind becoming rich and famous. Hell no. When he gets arrested, get him in the car, get the car pulling away. Boom!
You're under arrest.
You can't arrest me, you're a hooker.
I'm undercover.
Well, then you shouldn't be hooking.
Officer, he took my hair.
There he goes, doctor!
Run, Nari, run!
Only in Hollywood! I'm surprised for you. It's glorious. Like an angel sparkling loogie. Don't you do it! Don't you do it! Put it down. I got a million change! I'm chilling! Man, I know they talking about beer, but I can think of another pair I'd like to grab.
Oh, New Line Home Entertainment presents.
Come on, dog. Eat that vomit.
I'm sorry, that was an inappropriate scene to show here.
Now you better run.
The story of a nobody
Let's have us the champagne down. Yeah!
who became somebody.
Got a beer in your pocket, or are you just happy to see me?
Oh, no. No, that's a hard on. You gave that to me.
By offending everybody.
This don't hate my shoes and my shirt and my hat and my wallet. Arrest him, go! Arrest him! Yellow. Ronnie, it's Terry. Oh, hang on, he's right here. Hey, man, it's for you.
Run, Ronnie, run.
No,
I'm planning to get that
on
one.
the phone. I'm on the phone.
Ron, Ronnie, run.
Okay, yeah. Hey, I'm sorry.
Run,
Looks
Ronnie,
like
run.
another call.
Run, Ronnie, run. Available on DVD and VHS September 16th.
Following previous has volunteers of Motion Picture Association of America.
Nothing goes right.
Willard,
Night, Mom.
come in here.
Willard, what an awful name. If you had a stronger name, that Frank Martin wouldn't push you around.
What part of your fire don't you understand?
Willard, let's go drink. I'm not hitting on you, Willard.
Willard's styles didn't quite fit in,
It's been a bad day. Look, everybody, food.
but he's suddenly become very popular.
You're the best friends that I ever had.
Now,
Turn up.
a guy who could never get a break,
Yeah.
proud to get even.
Out.
Willard!
We've come to see you. They'll do anything I tell them. Tear 'em up. Do you think it's okay if I just put her inside? Sure.
Willard! What was all that noise?
It's just the wind.
Crispin Glover,
Where can you get the latest, hottest, and coolest word on what's new? Get online at New Line's eBuzz and sign up for your exclusive eBuzz Now, your direct line to New Line. DVD. See it. Buy it. Own it. Watch it once. Watch it twice. Spend hours watching extras beyond the movie and enter the world of stars and directors and the magic they make. Build a collection for the family. With over 9,000 movies to own, it's the most convenient way to watch a movie. DVD.
Yo, 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 the biggest hip-hop weekend of the year is jumping off in the city of Miami this October. It's the 6th annual Source Hip-Hop Music Awards for 2003, and it's all going down Columbus Day weekend, October the 10th through the 13th. 4 action-packed days featuring hip-hop's hottest artists, athletes, actors, and models that make hip-hop culture
What it is today.
Join us for the biggest beach parties, pool parties, private jets, private yachts, and this year it's open to the public. We got the biggest acts in the hip-hop universe, all on stage at the Miami Arena, and tickets are now officially available. So mark your calendar and plan your vacations accordingly, because if you miss it, you're gonna miss a lot. Join hip-hop's finest as they unite to celebrate our music, our culture, our time to shine. The Source Hip-Hop Music Awards 2003. Respect the culture and respect the history, baby. For ticket information and special travel package arrangements, please call 212-254-3002.
Feature presentation. This sells them off-lights original versions. Reformat for your TV.